So today we are going to be unboxing an electric centrifuge, and this model is 800D. Here we have the manual of the centrifuge machine, and in the box we have the machine itself. So this is a 6-bucket centrifuge. You can see that it has provision for containing 6 centrifuge tubes, and this is the lid. So it's a plastic rubber kind of lid. Here it has a power cable which you can use to power it. So here is the spec of this particular centrifuge. So it has a revolution of 4,000 revolutions per minute. So that's the speed, the maximum speed, and also the relative gravity is 1,790 grams, and also the capacity for each of the centrifuge tube you can use is 20 mils, and we have 6 of them. So this is the knob to control the speed, which can go all the way to 4,000 revolutions per minute. And this is a timer knob which we use to control or adjust the time, and it goes from 15 minutes, and the max time you can set is 60 minutes. So you can set the time for your machine to operate. So to get this item and every other scientific materials, you can send us a message or visit our website at Simmyfranks.com.